Here we have a sunny day in the winter, and we are producing some power. I drug these out in the field, and let's see what kind of amperage they're bringing in. Looks like we're pulling about 20 amps. I don't know if it's going to increase any more than that or not. We're pretty much in the sun as much as you can be in the sun. And of course the sun's kind of low in the sky, so there's probably some limitation there. But yeah, January ended up with a sunny day when the frost finally melted off the panels that started producing some power. So you can figure about 20 amps, it's about 300 watts. These are 100-watt panels. It's probably a little bit optimistic. Maybe if I was in the high desert or something like that, it would be a little better. But we do have pretty good sun right now. Okay, 20 amps at 13.8 volts going into the batteries, 276 watts. So a little under 300 watts. That's probably what I can expect out of this thing. If I put a double of panels on it, I suppose I could expect 600. And that's probably the best it's going to do. It might do better in the summer. We'll wait and see, but that looks like what it's going to do. Give you an idea where this is at. Okay, you can see we're out in the field. Of course, I probably used more energy with the lawn tractor than that thing's going to bring me, but that's just normal. Looking over here, you can see there is our sun. It's going to be blocked out where I'm at a little bit from a tree, but pretty bright sun. You can also see nice frosty day. It was about 28 degrees when I got up. There was ice all over the panels, melted off pretty quick, but yeah, it was dumping ice in the panels, there was a lot of ice on the panels when I came out, a lot of frost in the ground still. And it's full on. So that's about what it's going to do with just the 4 panels. I don't know if you can read that. Get a little closer there. That is a Plymouth pickup. They actually made a pickup circa sometime in the 1930s, probably late 30s. And that is my portable solar trailer. Now here I wanted to give you an idea of what happens. This panel is all the way over to the east. As I rotate this panel, it's going to change. Now if you look at the amp draw, you'll start to see it dropping off. The farther I get over, the more it drops off. It's down to dang near nothing now. Giving you another view now. How I did that, I had it clear up here like this, where it dropped off to virtually nothing. As I start moving back, it starts going up. Okay, that pretty much gives you an idea of the difference it makes.